Hello everyone and welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft certified educator, and today I'm going to tell you a very important thing in regards to Excel through which you people may save your time, and that is autofilling a series in Excel sheet. So half of the time what I've seen people that who are novice or beginner to an Excel sheet, what the people they normally do is every time they put in a number, and in case if it's a serial number, what these people they do is they put in 1 2 3 4 one after the other, which ultimately takes a very long time. So today I'm going to tell you a quick method which is going to be a remedy, and it is going to save a lot of time of yours. What you people can do is you can use this function that I'm going to train you today for autofilling a series in Excel, and it's going to save your time also. Okay, so let's quickly start over people. So this is an Excel sheet on which I'm going to train you. I'm going to keep this video a little bit short so that you people may go ahead and you may practice on the same. So half of the time what happens is when we are entering a data in an Excel sheet, we always go with the serial number, and half of the time what I've seen is people they enter the serial numbers in an order like it's one, and then these people they go ahead and type in 2, and then they go ahead and type in 3. But in case of my data is huge, this is going to take a lot of time of mine. So what I'm going to tell you is I'm going to tell you two methods today, but the second one is going to be a quick remedy for you. So how you people can go about is that you have entered number 1, you have entered number 2. Now what you people have to do is you need to select both these cells and take your mouse cursor to the extreme right hand side near to the bottom till the time you see a plus arrow, that is plus sign like this, as you people will be able to see there in front of you. So what you people have to do is you have to left click your mouse and then you have to drag down till the time you need the numbers or the series, and it is automatically going to enter the series there in front of you, so you don't have to punch in the numbers 1 2 3 4 simultaneously again and again. But there is another or the second method I'm going to tell you right now, which is going to be a solution, that is which is going to be much easier in comparison to this also. So let's suppose that there are the serial number that you would like to punch in an Excel sheet. So what you would do is you will type in number 1. Okay, and today how you will be autofilling a series is once you have punched in number 1, you need to highlight this cell and then on the right hand side, so you need to be there on the home tab people. In the home tab, what you people are going to do is you need to click this fill option, okay, where I'm hovering my mouse. This is the fill option. Click on the drop down. Once you click on the drop down, you have to select the option which is series. Okay, and once you will click on the series option, this is going to be the dialog box there in front of you. So I will go with the column because I have to put my series in column, it's not in rows. It's up to you. In case if you would like to go in the rows, you may go with that also. So you have to select columns over here, you have to select linear. So my step value is the beginning value is going to be number 1, and then let's say my ending value is going to be number 12. Okay, so what I have to do is, so I will be entering my beginning value, I will be entering my ending or the stop value as well, and then I have to click on OK. And now you people can see that automatically it has auto filled the series in an Excel sheet. You people only have to select this particular option and it is going to save a lot of time of yours. Okay, so what you people have to do is you simply have to go ahead, select this option of autofill a series, okay, the way that I have done it. Okay, and the plus the first method I've already trained you on. And now people who are watching my channel for the first time and who have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things, more shortcuts that I'm going to train you on an Excel sheet, which is going to make your task a lot simpler. Okay, and in case of any queries, in questions, in case if you people have, or in case if you want me that I should be designing another videos in an Excel sheet, you can always reach me on my Instagram ID, which is cherub.teaching.center. You can also reach me on my Facebook ID, which is Cherub Teaching Center, or on Microsoft Team, which is Cherubians altogether, and the links of all these three videos is given in the description of this video. All right, so people, I would request you to please quickly quickly go ahead, watch this video, and then practice it yourself. And believe me, it's going to save a lot of time of yours. And from now onwards, you don't have to punch in the numbers, a single time like 1 2 3 4. You only have to select this particular option, and it's going to, your task is going to be much simpler in comparison to before. Okay. And I would request you people, those who are watching this Excel video for the first time, you may also go to the playlist of an Excel where you can find other relative videos in regards to your need altogether. So thank you so much people for watching my video, and have a nice day ahead.